All right, so we are given this function, which is equated to 0. It's a polynomial, and we are required to find the real values of x, which will make this true. All right, so the first thing we do is we study the the equation itself, and see what we'll be able to factor out to reach our conclusion. So we take the first two pair, right? We notice that between the first two pair, x squared is common, right? So that can be factored out. So what we do is we go right at it. X squared in brackets. On this left side, we'll have x remaining minus 5, right? And when you're doing factorization, think distribution at the same time, so that in your mind you can easily reverse it and see if it goes back to where you started from, right? In that case, there's no harm done. Plus, that's this plus here, and then between the two remaining terms, the number 2 is the common factor. Multiply by x minus, and then 2 times 5 will give us our 10 back. This is equal to 0, right? So after this, we look at this equation and see what is common, right? We have two main terms now. This is the first term, this is the second term. So what can we do around the plus sign? We can factor out x minus 5. And then on the left side of the plus sign, we'll have our x squared sitting there. Now we bring the operator in, and then plus 2. So this is how it looks right now. And whenever you have two factors multiplying to give 0, it means at least one of the factors is equal to 0. So what you see here means that either x minus 5 is equal to 0, or x squared plus 2 is equal to 0, which made this possible. So if we take the first one, we say x minus 5 is equal to 0, right? And from this, we have x is equal to 5, because this is a simple algebra you're just trying to solve to find the value of x, right? And then for the second factor, we have x squared plus 2 equals 0. And this is going to look like this. X squared is equal to minus 2. This certainly won't give us a real value for x, right? So this is the one that we will choose, right? So when x is equal to 5, this is going to be giving us 0, and that's the only real value, all right?